Atongoria matiganite a kiuteti, kanitha, arata na andu a nyumba ya mutungatiri Julius Ndumia ni manyitanire igongona-ini riake ria muthia mwena wa Wamagana Tetu Nyeri. Igongona riria rikuihuirwo ni kieha, aingi wa atongoria aria maririe igongona-ini riri matongoretio ni mutongoria wa kiama kia DCP Rigathi wa Gachagua, makiuria thirikari gutigirira aria matabanirie giko kiu ni manyitwo na moero makinya marumu ma kiwatho.
We'll fight for the justice of your colleague. We'll shout from the rooftop until Mama Esther and her children and the church gets justice. A man is not a chicken. Mtu hapana kuku, hapana mbuzi, ati anauawa tu holela. Alafu mnaenda mnashika watu wawili wale walikuwa na simu yake na wenye kumuua bado kamatwa.
Atongoria aya makiuga ni mekurumirira nginyagia kihoto kia nyumba ya Ndumia kionekane, kuona uthuthuria ni ukoretwo ugikururia thengia wa ruhonge rwa uthuthuria kuga ni rwikitie ngono ekuwiro eri kumana na njuragano ino.
These reverends, I have seen them here, our parish ministers, moderator. They are men and women in fear. Most of these parish ministers here are my friends. My personal friends I've known for many years and their families. More than 100 of our parish ministers have called me. They are scared. Are we safe? Our family is safe? That is the issue.
Hamwe na uguo, atongoria magiukirira thirikari na kuga ni ikoretwo igitharikira nyumba cia mahoya, undu uria maugite no nginya ukinye muthia.
Reverend Ndumia did not die a normal death. He was murdered. And indeed, this is a murder most foul. So we are here not just to stand with the family, with the church, but to demand for justice.
Andui unayomweza, hakuna haja kushinda ukisumbua Mungu. Huyo hatutamwachia Mungu. Kwa hivyo tunataka majibu ya kifo ambacho kimefanyika.
Andu a nyumba na arata magicakaya mwendwa wao na kuga ni mundu urerutĩire maundu-ini, undu umwe na gutigirira kuri na wĩigĩrĩrĩki maundu-ini mothe. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Ngoshi wa Njuguna.
Mungu mwenyewe atakuwa